Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to the course of Advanced E-commerce Salesforce Commerce Cloud by me, Anush Tyagi. I'm not sure how many of you have attended my Basics of E-commerce, the previous course which I have hosted. And if you did not, maybe I would recommend you to also go through that in that course, because this is going to be advanced level. Some of the things I assume you have already learned and you have already covered in my Basics of E-commerce. So I cannot cover it in this just to not increase the timeline. So in this course, I'm really excited to have you here. And in this course, we're going to cover the advanced e-commerce topic. But before that, who am I? Those who are joining for the first time. So my name is Anush Tyagi. I'm the Salesforce Commerce Cloud Architect, certified architect, of course, the developer too. And I'm also the certified on another e-commerce products too. For example, IBM WebSphere, which is now HCL e-commerce. I have worked on other e-commerce products too, like SAP for Hybris and for some time. So I have not just worked as a technical person for quite many years. I have worked on the servicing consulting side, but I have moved to the client side. So for more than four and a half years, and so overall my experience is more than 10 to 12 years in just e-commerce domain. So I think I have a good experience in B2C, B2B, B2B2C kind of projects, even from scratch. So in this course, what are we going to do? But before that, just something for you. Please do not skip any video. This is my humble request to you. Do not skip any video. If you want, you can run it at a faster rate. That's totally fine. But don't skip it, because the concepts in the previous videos will be used in the later videos. So if you do that, maybe you will lose something. You can do it anywhere, totally up to you. And also I will advise you to take some notes wherever I give you some links from some other portal, some other sites, from, of course, from Salesforce, which is open source. So do take some notes, try to read them through. I think it is going to help you a lot. Then finally, study the topic on Salesforce documentation, which I think we already covered. Now let's see our agenda. I think this is going to be quite interesting. So we're going to cover many topics, but first of all, as it's advanced e-commerce, you need to know the the architecture and the introduction part. We will touch upon really quickly what we're going to see in this whole course, but the architecture will be covered in this one mainly. Then we will see how you can extend, how you can customize, and how you can technically, from a developer's point of view, of course, you can extend the data of Salesforce. There are various ways of doing that. We will be covering it here. So data extension, from a developer point of view, you will be doing it here. Then how you can extend the cartridges, what is cartridge, what is plugins, how you can extend them, how you can integrate them. We will also see it here. This is kind of quite helpful, because if you are working on e-commerce product, from time to time you will get to know that your third party offering a cartridge, but you need to integrate it how, or maybe you want to customize it on top of that. So I think this is going to be helpful for you. Then the code extension, of course, if you are working on an e-commerce product, every client, every business is new. They have their unique requirement, specific requirement, so we cannot generalize things. So you need to know how to extend the code. Then we're gonna also cover the API integration and SFCC APIs. What are the different type of Salesforce Commerce APIs you have, how to do the API integration, SOAP, REST, etc. This is going to be quite extensive, mainly focused on APIs, because we are living in the world of APIs. So I think this is quite important again for you. Miscellaneous will cover the part for performance point of view, caching, etc., and some other parts which are generalized. So we will cover it here. Miscellaneous will give you a lot more information, like security, what you should do from security point of view, performance, and let's say monitoring aspects, etc., etc. So this is, after this course, I can assure you, you will be able to work on Salesforce Commerce Cloud easily without having any problem. Of course, you need to do a lot of hands-on in each session. In each module, you're gonna see some demos. You need to practice yourself. If you don't have Salesforce Commerce Cloud, you can still watch the videos, because I will be covering you through how things are implemented, so that you will remember it when you will have the access to Salesforce Sandbox. So I hope you are excited after seeing this agenda and this course structure. I hope to see you in the first module, our introduction architecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye, and thank you.